Awesome job. Here you are at the theming portion of the course. And this is going to be the fun portion of the course because up till now, you've just been doing the installation, kind of like the infrastructure so that we can actually do the theming and show the site to the world. But right now, if everything's set up, you should be good to go and we can start getting into the theming. In this video, let me tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to show you in this video kind of like the geography or the map of how the different pieces are going to fit together. This will give you kind of the landscape of what you need to know. And then in the next video, we will start looking at the actual code. So here, we're going to look at the back end. You can see when we log on to the server, everything on your HostGator account is going to be in a public._HTML folder. Everything here is what is on your server here. This is just basic kind of server 101 stuff. But just trust me that everything that's in here, in this folder here, is what you are seeing on your domain. If you were to delete all of this, don't do it. If you were to delete it all, there would be nothing over here anymore, okay? So that's important to understand. What are we seeing here highlighted? What this is an installation of WordPress. Now, the reason it's there is because we did the one-click method. We went to the back end, the cPanel, and clicked WordPress, right, in the last videos. That's what we've been doing, and did that. There is a longer installation method, which I'm not going to go through, obviously, but just so you're aware of it, you could have went to wordpress.org and downloaded this version, which would look like this. I did it just to show you. And then you could upload it yourself, but we did it the quick way. We did the one-click install, and it made life pretty great. The thing is, moving forward, we're going to want to make updates to WordPress. So we're going to have to make our own theme and upload it manually moving forward. The most important part of our setup here is always going to be in this WP content folder, okay? We're going to open this up right now. You will only ever touch what's in here. Let me make this front and center. You will only ever have to touch what's in here. This is, these are the theme, the content here. Everything else around here that comes with WordPress is known as the core. And you never want to update the core. So you never want to touch or mess up these files here, but only what is in this one directory here. Once we are in here, you'll see that there's a folder called themes. And if you go into the themes folder, you'll see you have 3 themes set up by default. Now check this out. These 3 themes in here correspond to, and you can just watch, but if you go live on your WordPress site and you go to themes, that's these 3 themes here like this. So what we are going to do in this series is we are going to create our own theme and then upload it to the themes folder so that there's a 4th theme. And by uploading it here to this folder on our server, a 4th theme will appear here that we can activate, right? We'll be able to have an activate button. And when we activate it, if it all works well, it will replace our site. That's the basic flow of what we want to make happen. So to do that, I want you to download a custom template that I made to get started. So that template, the link is down below. When you download it, you should have this folder here. Put this folder on your desktop just so that you and I are on the same page. And if you take a look at it, once you download it and put it on your desktop, you should see these files here. Okay? So this is our setup. Play around a little bit, get comfortable with some of what I just did. Go back and watch this again if you need to. But you need the folder here on your desktop, and then you need to have the access here so that we can upload it and make the changes. That's our map of what we're doing. Get that set, and I'll see you in the next video.